Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you all know that I'm always on the lookout for the latest in skincare technology and anti-aging products and how I share everything edgy with you guys. Which brings me to today's unboxing video. We are going to unveil a special and innovative facial device called MyoLift Mini, brought to you by 7E Wellness India, which is a joint venture between the 7E Wellness USA and the brand Concept Limited India. MyoLift Mini Microcurrent Device was developed with the mission to provide non-invasive facelifts for a natural, youthful appearance. The brand is headquartered in San Diego and has a very successful track record in the USA. They are also a market leader in providing advanced and professional grade smart current technology enabled devices worldwide. And guess what? They're now launching in India, and I'm so excited to try the American smart current technology and share my first impressions with you all. FYI, I purchased the MyoLift Mini and it's time to unbox it. Hi guys, as you see, I'm simply holding the device. It feels very light and comfortable and it's well shaped to fit in my hands. And the MyoLift Mini Microcurrent is designed to make your facial lifting and toning journey from the home easier and more effective. You can choose two modes from this, which is erase and educate. Erase is to erase the fine lines and tone your facial muscles respectively. Expand your skincare routine to include the high-power technology of the smart current facials. The 7E Myo Mini Microcurrent Device can be used up to 3 times a week and will also produce stunning anti-aging skin toning results. And this is backed by a warranty of 2 years. Coming to the smart current technology, what is it? The smart current technology is one of the hottest innovations in skincare and beauty industry. Smart current technology is a clinically tested therapy that delivers tiny electrical impulses, sending the waves from the skin to the tissues and down to the muscle. It not only improves the skin texture, it also improves the appearance of the fine lines and the wrinkles, and it stimulates the elastin and the collagen fibers, enhancing the features, erasing the aging and giving us a more fresher and a youthful look. And guys, if you're worried about the pains because of the injectables, which could be the Botox and the fillers, a good news is that the MyoLift Mini is completely pain-free, and now isn't that amazing? Plus, what you do is you get the comfort of doing this at home. So it's a good device to invest for the long-term solutions of anti-aging rather than having some temporary solutions. And of course, it's the trusted brand with proven results and which you can invest into. So the MyoLift is available at a special price, and you can use my code MONICA10 for an additional 10% discount. Hi guys, it's a good device to invest into, and it is one of the good anti-aging solutions where you start seeing the results from first session onwards. And also the smart scan technology is an emerging trend amongst many techno-savvy and beauticians and individuals, so why not make the most of it? And with MyoLift Mini device, microcurrent device, it becomes very easy, and you can get the mini facelift done at the home itself. So you can order your device at the link below, and also you can avail a special discount with MONICA10 code. So guys, thank you for joining me today. Goodbye.